What's up everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be dyeing my hair. I'm going to be going from blonde to red. My bathroom is a super small, so I live in New York, so everything is like super small. But yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't dyed my hair really in forever. I've been blonde for the longest time and I want to try something new. And one reason I wanted to make this video is because when I was trying to work up the courage and trying to decide if dyeing my hair red was what I really wanted to do, I would watch tons of other people. I would look at everyone else's transformation to see what I liked, and also to try to learn what brand they were using to see how different colors turned out. So hopefully this video, if you're thinking of dyeing your hair from blonde to red, hopefully this will help you out a little bit. I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris in the shade Dark Auburn 4R, and it is the Superior Preference. If you just found my channel recently with all of the parodies that I've been doing, don't worry, I have a blonde wig, so we can still keep doing those, and I'll probably end up going back to blonde eventually, but I really wanted to try something different. And if you're just here to see the results and you don't really want to chit chat with me or listen to me talk, here is a timestamp for the results. So here's the before, and then here's a timestamp for the results. But if you want to stay here and chit chat with me, then hello, hi, how are you? This is already open because I freaked myself out and I did the allergy test. You're supposed to do an allergy test every time you dye your hair. I did do that allergy test a little while ago. I don't know if I should be doing it again. This has been open for a little bit of time. I kept like backing out and like chickening out on dyeing my hair. So I did the test and then I didn't dye it. But tonight's tonight, you know, why not? I'm ready for a change. Oh, before I get started, let me give you a little couple tips if you really are trying to dye your hair. So if you are someone who has used hair dye before, you know that they have kind of the shades of your hair and what your hair may look like when you dye your hair. Does that make sense? There's like, if your hair is this color, then it'll look like this. If it's this color, it'll look like this, etc. I found that those are not always the most accurate, and I also tried on the L'Oreal virtual try-on thing on their website, and that also gave me a weird color. It was saying that my hair was going to be kind of like, one time it said it was going to be like a pink color, and then it just didn't look very natural, and there's a part of me that doesn't think it's going to end up looking like that. So one thing that I did, and that you can do too if you really want to research what the hair color really looks like, I looked up this brand on Amazon and I found people who had bought this color and who had done reviews by posting pictures. And that's honestly how I chose this one, because there was one girl who, she did the review and I really love the color. I love the way that it turned out, and her hair color didn't seem too different from mine. So yeah, that's just one tip I can give you. Go look on Amazon or any other place where people do photo reviews, or look on videos on YouTube. So you have to take this and mix it with this. Okay, let's see. Oh, I haven't done this in so long. I literally used to do this all the time when I was in college. I actually promised myself that I would never dye my hair again, that I would only get highlights. But never say never. Oh, the smell brings back memories of being a broke college student, depressed, and dyeing my hair to try to feel something. Oh, this is exciting. Like I said, I've just been wanting to do something new, something different, and I'm kind of nervous, but oh, I think it'll be fun. I learned from Burlesque that you can use your nose to access your phone if you're wearing gloves. So there's another tip for you there. Send. Here goes nothing. I guess I can just put it in my hands first. I think that's mixed enough. But yeah, when I was younger, I would just pour the entire thing on my head and then rub it through. Oh my gosh. Definitely smells very strong. What I was reading when people were kind of reviewing this color, as they were saying, it smells very strong. Alright, I think I'm just going to turn off the camera and focus on doing this. It's not really anything unique, it's just putting it in my hair. So I will see you in a little bit. Okay, so we are back. I put this entire bottle on my head. I have it kind of up like this now. I'm not gonna lie, when I was putting this into my hair, I definitely had an oh shit moment, but there's no turning back now. So I'm gonna wait for about 25 minutes and then I'll wash it out, and then you guys and I will see what it looks like. All right, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So it's been about 30 minutes. I did an extra 5 minutes since my hair was so light. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but follow the directions if you do this. So yeah, I'm going to rinse out my hair and then I'm gonna dry it. And there's a fly in here. Get out of here. You don't pay rent to live here, fly. It's New York, you should. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse off my hair and then dry it and see how it looks. And I'll probably show you the after tomorrow once I like style it and redo my makeup and everything. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. My hair is naturally like the color of my eyebrows, so I have like kind of a darker blonde hair color, but I've noticed that when I have red hair or darker hair, it really brings out my features more. I feel like blonde, while I love it, it kind of washes me out. So oh my gosh, I love it already. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Okay, so I will show you what it looks like soon. Okay, so this is the final result. And I could not be happier. I love this so much. Like I said, when I was putting on the dye, I definitely had an oh shit, what's happening moment. Oh, but I love it. I love it so much. I feel like I never feel that way when I get my hair highlighted. I feel like I always have to kind of get used to my hair when I do it blonde, but this, I love it like immediately. And I feel like I look a little less washed out as a more auburn color. I feel like it brings out my eye color a little bit more. I feel like I'm a little less washed out. So yeah, highly recommend. I didn't do anything fancy. I used my old technique of just pouring a bunch of the dye in my hair and then just lathering it all through. And it looks like it's evenly colored, so I love it so much. I feel like me, like it feels like this is me. It feels good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.